Let's see what you have to do first to fix it when the rear wiper and rear window defroster don't work. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. So, this is the rear wiper that doesn't work when I turn the ignition on and move the wiper lever. And rear window defroster button doesn't work when it is pressed either. Therefore, you have to check first the fuse or relay in the fuse panel for the rear wiper and for the rear window defroster, and check if the fuses are burnt and has to be replaced. Check the cables that pass through the rubber boot from the car body to the tailgate on the left side to see if are damaged. To solve the problem, there's a separate cable repair kit for different cars that you can find it in the video description below. Or there is an option to connect the wires back with the same color and isolate them with insulating tape. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.